A Java package is a collection of related classes, interfaces, and sub-packages. Packages in Java come in two forms: built-in packages and user-defined packages. Built-in packages include well-known ones like Java, Lang, AWT, JavaX, Swing, Net, IO, Util, SQL, and more. These packages offer a variety of functionalities and tools to developers. Imagine you are organizing your belongings into different boxes to keep things neat and tidy. Each box contains items related to a specific category, such as clothes, books, or toys. Similarly, in Java, packages are like these boxes, used to organize and group related classes and interfaces. Here's a simple example. Suppose you're developing a software application for a bookstore. You might create packages to organize different aspects of the bookstore application. The package keyword is used to create a package in Java. The book package contains classes related to books. Book class contains book-related attributes and methods. The customer package contains classes related to customers. Customer class contains customer-related attributes and methods. And here the inventory package contains classes related to inventory management. Inventory class contains inventory-related attributes and methods. The main package contains the main class to start the application. Bookstore class contains main method to start the bookstore application. We have different packages such as bookstore, bookstore, customer, and bookstore, inventory. Each package contains classes related to a specific aspect of the bookstore application, like books, customers, and inventory management. Organizing classes into packages makes it easier to manage and maintain the codebase, as related classes are grouped together logically. Just like organizing your belongings into labeled boxes makes it easier to find things, organizing classes into packages helps developers organize, manage, and navigate through their code more effectively. See you again. Thank you.